Greetings, guys. Hope everything's going well on this Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to share a quick update that was pushed out just recently. So now, here in the settings page, when you add your accounts, you can trigger the accounts whether to set them on or off or set them active or inactive right here. So that's just a good way to basically have more granular control of your accounts that you just don't want to basically deal with. So that way you ain't got to worry about it if you're doing a whole bunch of copy trading setups. Then when you select the copy trading setup here, let's say you select a master account. I'm going to select this 13 account and I'm going to select these two accounts, right? One thing that now you can do, if you select a master account here, it's not going to pop up on this list. So you see this master account here called 0013 you selected. It's not going to pop up down here, so that way you don't accidentally, you don't accidentally select the copy account and a master account if you're selecting multiple. Hit apply changes. And now when you basically set up your copy trading, when you have your copy trading set up, you can, obviously enable here if you want to activate all accounts, or you can disable them here if you want to. And then here you're going to have a little dashboard that tells you all the setups that you have and their statuses. So the setups that are functional, if there's any warnings, this is basically telling you that if you have a setup here, that basically you disabled in the settings. For example, let's say I'm going to disable this 001 account, right? All right, let me make that inactive. And if I go back to copy trading setup here, you're going to see one warning basically letting you know that some accounts are inactive. So, and it's going to highlight it here that, hey, this account is inactive. You need to go ahead and basically turn it inactive again. Or you could basically just enable it from here. And now you could do that. So wanted to push this video out, and if you have any questions, concerns, comments, suggestions, anything, feel free to let me know. Anyways, that's all for now, and happy trading.